I need the sheriff right now.
Come on, sheriff. Well, if it ain't the titwit.
Well, it's nitwit, but not really at the time to wet the semantics of all that. Now look, I'm sorry for getting trigger happy in your town, but I need your help. It's George. He got big.
What do you mean he got big?
Well, we was working this job a few miles up the road at a place called Nightmare. We heard everyone there was sick with something nasty. George said if everyone was bedridden, it'd be easy picking.
Sounds like something Creek would cook up.
Well, that would be the case. However, when we got there, they wasn't bedridden. They was up and walking around clear as day.
Sounds to me like y'all just went to the wrong farm.
No. It was not fair. Something else was wrong. They was up and walking around like townsfolk. But they weren't no townsfolk.
What do you mean they weren't townsfolk?
Well, I mean they stank to high heaven. And they were dirty too, kind of like this guy right there. It looked like they was blocking corpses. I ain't never seen nothing like it.
Talk gets the point.
Okay. Well, George wouldn't listen to me, but I knew something was wrong. But he just kept going. That was until the bank teller bit him right on the arm.
The teller bit him.
Yeah, and that was after George buried 4 lead lumps in his chest. And it took 2 more from me to get him off of it.
Sounds to me like y'all just killed an innocent man.
Well, yeah, that would be the case. However, he stood right back up.
He got up?
Yep, 6 bleeding holes and all. And I mean, they was bleeding. They was gurgling and flickering and spewing and
No, he was dead. Then what?
Okay, well, we had to get us out of there. I thought everything was all right. Then George got sick. It started with fever and vomiting. Before long, he stopped answering me. And right as we got there, look at fire! Fire! See, well, that ain't George. George is dead. So I came here looking for you.
Me? Well, looks like you just dealt with him yourself.
And that would be the case. However, right before George died, I saw a figure on the horizon. Then that figure turned to 2, and then to 6. Before long, I realized the folks from Knott's Berry had followed us here.
And here I thought I was going to have an early night. But no, Arkansas Tom had to go lead a horde of walking dead in my town.
Oh, I'm sorry, Sheriff.
No time for apologies, Tommy boy. We got to get moving. If what you're saying is true, then we ain't got much time before this place is crawling with corpses. Now you head on down to my office. I got some spare room to walk away for times like this, all right?
Okay.
It's gonna be a long night. Well, y'all, it seems like Frontier City is about to be overrun with monsters, but don't you worry. I'm here to keep you safe. No one is getting bit on my watch.
We're gonna go to the parade.
Stay back!
Everybody, go to the parade! The parade will be right on in. Go to the parade! Go towards the parade! That makes sense. Walk, please! Walk, please! Showman, guys. I like your man. I'm scared.
You're scared of high block people! I just see it! I'm so excited you guys are here!
He's vibing. Yo.
I like that. Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Oh, I remember
She said she's gonna follow us.
What? Oh my God.
What is your problem?
Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walk-throughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.